Hey everyone, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, today we are going to study a 30 feet by 50 feet plan and not just one plan, we are going to study three different plans and their elevations also in this session. Okay, so who can be benefited from this? If you are someone who is planning to build a house in the distant future, then you can just watch this session and get the ideas from that. If you are a civil engineering student or even an architect student, then you can also get the ideas of how to do the building planning from this session. So I guess all of you are going to be benefited, and if you are being benefited, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to our channel Civil Raja. Okay, and one more thing, you have to also press the bell icon so that whenever we are uploading any kind of video, then you can just be notified through that. Okay, so here is our first plan, and it's a little not very much clear because of the color combination over here. So today you are also going to learn a new trick over here, how to work with the layers. So what we have to do, if I want to just change the color over here, then I will select the line over here, and you will see that automatically it is changing the color over here. So what I'm going to do, I will simply change the color of this whole layer, that is the ground floor plan, that is over here, and now it is visible to us. So we can simply change the color of the text in the same manner. What we can do, we can simply go to the layer, select on the layer color, and then we can just mark it with a different color so that this can be visible to us. Okay, so like this you can simply change the color and make your plans visual. If you are checking the plan of someone else, if you are going to work with your plan, then you can just create a number of layers like this, and this will make your work very convenient, like we are working right now over here. Okay, so this is a 30 feet by 50 feet plan, and guys, if you want to learn how to do all these things, then you can simply connect me. My WhatsApp number is there in the description. It's 8433248864, and I will tell you how to do all these things. Okay, so over here you can see this is a 30 feet by, what is the another dimension, 50 feet plan. And what we have over here, we have this ground floor plan over here, and then in the front we have a 6 feet 6 inches wide lawn, which is quite a spacious over here. And then we have this posh area of 8 feet 2 inches by 16 feet, and this is like quite a good area for placing the four-wheeler over here. Now you can also notice one more thing, that this staircase is starting from the inside the building. So you can also call it that this staircase lies inside the building and not outside the building. So if you are someone who is going to use the whole building as a single unit as or as an owner, then you can just go for a staircase which is inside the building. And if you want to rent out your place, then you can also just go for the next alternative, that is keeping the staircase outside the building, so that the privacy in your house is maintained. Okay, so you can see over here, uh, this is our main entrance over here, and this is directly leading us to the drawing room, or you can say the hall over here, which is again a spacious one, 10 feet 4 inches by 13 feet. It is not a very big hall, you can say, but this is quite good for the drawing hall or drawing room. Okay, then this will lead us to the dining area, and this dining area is also having another gate over here, which is also the second entrance of the building, and we can just enter the building through here also. So a lot of people are nowadays want that, okay, in our house or in our dream home, we should have two doors, so one for the guest and another one for the residents of the building. So if talking about the Indian culture, I am not in the favor or against of this, where everyone can have their own perception. But nowadays we feel that, okay, the ladies of the house should not pass through the drawing hall, because this is not very good. So what we do, we go for another entrance of the building, and both the entrance can be in the front of the building. Normally if you have the space like in the village area, then you can also provide the second entrance at the back of the building. But if you have the we don't have the, when you don't have the a space in the back, or you don't have a very large space, then you can go for both the doors in the front. One is going directly to the drawing room, and through that we have the passage to the dining area or the lobby, you can say. And the second entrance is directly taking us to that dining area or the lobby, which is also our living room in some cases. Okay, So these two entrances are generally provided if your space is allowing that. Okay, so in our case the space is allowing that, and according to the requirement of the client we have provided two doors over here. Now if you are a client and you want us to make the beautiful house plan for you, then you can also approach us and we will make your dream on into reality. And how that you can just see from our experience what I'm discussing over here. Okay, so you can see over here, like we will just go to the dining area over there, and this dining area is also acting the passage for what, for this kitchen area. Okay, then this wash area. So this wash area is quite the open area over here, and this will be open till the last floor of the building. Okay, so we will not have any kind of slab casted over here at this place. So this is also leading us to the wash area, which is providing the ventilation to this toilet and to this kitchen also. And then it is also providing the ventilation for this dining area. Then this dining area is also leading us to this common toilet, and we have two bedrooms, one on the left, which is a master bedroom, and one on the right, which is a simple bedroom, but it is again opening to the wash area. So this wash area is also providing the ventilation for the toilet and these two bedrooms over here. So you can say on total this is a well ventilated plan. And what we are going to get in this is almost a 2 bhk plan. Okay, 2 bhk, yeah. And we have a kitchen unit, we have a porch unit, and we also have a lawn over here. So this is quite an impressive plan for a 30 feet by 50 feet plot. And now we are going to look at the elevation of this plan. Okay, so again, this is a modern type of the elevation, and this is made just for the ground floor because the client was just inclined towards making the like a ground floor and not the next floor. So we can go with this type of alternative for the elevation over here. Here you can see the marble work, and then here we have the steel pipes, and this triangular portion is like it may look like the trapezoidal, but basically it is the triangular shape that has been provided over here with a circular hole over there. Okay, so I guess everything is clear for this plan. If yes, then you can hit the like button now, and if you want, then you can also share this video with your friends. And guys, if you have some kind of feedback, then you can also leave that in the comment section. And if you want to connect me personally, then you can simply just WhatsApp me on 8433248864. Now it's time to go for the next floor of our next plan over here. And see, every plan has something unique in it. Okay, so what is unique in this plan? In this plan, you will see like a circular staircase over here. So we will also look at that one. Okay, so you can see in the beginning, first of all, let's look at the size of the plot. So it is a 30 feet by 50 feet plot, and we are quite clear about that. Then what we have over here in this, first of all, this is the main gate over here, and this is leading us to this porch area where we can park our vehicles. On the left, we have a garden which is 8 feet wide for the most of the portion, and for the little of the portion, it is a little less than the 8 feet over here. Then we have this veranda, and then this is the entry foyer. Now, through this entry foyer, we can just go to the drawing room, which is 11 feet 8 inches by 13 feet 8 inches. And then we will go directly to the living area, or you can say the living room or the dining area. Then it will help us to go to the next floor through this circular type of the staircase. And this is kind of a very good approach for the staircase. And through this portion, we can also use the glasses on the outside so that this staircase is getting the proper light over here. Okay, now you will notice one more thing, that we also have a door over here, and this door is leading us directly to the living room, or you can say the dining area. And this is the second entrance of the building as discussed in the previous plan. So whatever the plans I'm discussing today, every plan is having the two entrances, and one is the main entrance and the second one is the second entrance over here. And however, to the entrance of the building, we have this main gate over here. Okay, now you can see this area will stay vacant, and you can just use it for like kind of gardening, or you can just park the two-wheelers over here. So that is the enough space for that. Then we have this passage through which we can go to the left to the kitchen, which is opening directly to the wash area. And then we can also place a almirah over here. Then this is the common toilet, and then this is a bedroom on the right. Okay, so now let's talk about the ventilation of the house. So this drawing a room is getting the ventilation from the garden. This is already the open area, and this staircase will get the light from here. This drawing living room is also having this door over here, and we can also have a small staircase just beneath this a small window just beneath this staircase, so we can also get the ventilation from there. Then this area is quite vacant, so we don't will not require that much of the ventilation. Then this kitchen is getting the ventilation from this wash area. Similarly, this bedroom and the toilet is getting the ventilation from this wash area, and this wash area is going to remain open for all the floors, as I have discussed already, or you can say discussed earlier. So this was our next plan of the day, and we have one more plan to go. But before that, we will just have a look at the elevation of this plan. So you can see over here, this is the elevation, and this is a little different from the previous one. So it is just having the concrete work over here, and this marble texture is again adding to the beauty. Then this triangular portion is you being used in the different manner, but again this is again looking very beautiful, and we can just go with it. Now we have the third plan of the day, and we will again change the color through the layer properties. So what we have to do, we have to just select the element, and then we have to go to the layer properties. There we have to change the color and click on OK, and our work is done over here. So you can see it was very simple. Now talking about the uniqueness of the this plan, we have the direction in this one. So yeah, again this is kind of unique for this plan, and we can just go with that uniqueness. Now we will look at the dimensions. So this is a 30 feet by 50 feet plan. So you can see every plan is having the same dimension, or you can say every plot is having the same dimension, but all the plans are different. So you are getting three alternatives of this plan, and if you are willing to look for more, then you can also check out the previous videos on the channel of the Civil Raja, and you will get to know that there are a lot many plans on the same plot dimension. And what I'm going to do is to simply study all these things so that you can get the best idea out of all these things. Now you can see this is the main gate on the left this time, and we have a lawn on the right. Then this is the 5 feet veranda, which is having this arc shape over here, and this is the way through which we can reach out to the veranda. And then we have this two entrances. One is to the bedroom, and another one is to this drawing room over here. Now you can also rent out this bedroom, because you are keeping a door over here, so you can simply rent it out, this bedroom. Okay, so this is again not very big, but kind of average bedroom size, average sized bedroom, 11 feet by 12 feet over here. Then this is our posh area, which is 7 feet 8 inches and by 16 feet 8 inches, which is comfortable to park any four-wheeler. Then we can see we have another door over here, which is leading us directly to the staircase, and it is also leading us to this dining room over here, and then also to this living room. So this is a dining come living room over here, which is quite spacious in our case, 18 feet 1 inches by 11 feet, which is quite good. And again, this staircase is included inside the building. So obviously the owner of the building is not willing to rent out the whole floor to someone else, so he can just rent out this room, for the college students or for the bachelors. This room would have been enough. Okay, now you can see we have this arc area. Then we have this common toilet over here. This is kitchen. This is the next bedroom on the right. Then we have this storeroom also present over here, and this bedroom is having the attached toilet to it. So you can say we have this master bedroom, and the person who is living in this bedroom, he can also use this toilet over here. Okay, so I guess again this is a sophisticated plan, and you can go with it. But if you want to go with any modified plan, then you can simply approach to the Civil Raja, and we will help you out through that. Our number is 8433248864. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon over there, because you will be notified whenever we are uploading a new video for you. And I guess this video is also benefiting you. That's why you have stuck to the end of this video. Okay, now it's time to look at the last portion of this, and that is our elevation. And guys, one more announcement is there. If you want to learn how to plan the building, then you can also join our professional class, and that is going to start from the 1st of the August this time. And we are also starting our batch on every 1st and 15th of the month, so you can just go with that. Okay, so it's the last thing that I have to show today. So this is the elevation, and this is a not very traditional, not very modern, but a sophisticated elevation, and we can just go with it. And this work of the chaja over here, this arc cushion, then there is again the beautiful work of this little chaja type thing is quite good. Then this is the hollow over here, and then we have to provide the railing at this place. Then we can also simply just go ahead with all these things, and we can just go in detail of the elevation. But here we are dedicated to study the plan and not the elevation. We will just have the simple look on the elevation. That's why I'm just giving you the overall look. Guys, if you have liked the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and colleagues, and again subscribe to Civil Raja if you haven't subscribed yet, because we are regularly making up the videos for you. And press the bell icon so that you can be notified. Okay, so yeah, if you have something to say, then our comment box is open. Our WhatsApp number is already in the description. It's 8433248864, and you can simply reach out to me through that. Okay, so that was all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you, guys.